हेलो स्टूडेंट्स, चैप्टर 8 इंट्रोडक्शन टू ट्रिग्नोमेट्री। स्टूडेंट्स, आपकी क्वेरीज के लिए मेरा नंबर, मेरी मेल आईडी आपकी स्क्रीन पर दी गई है। चलिए स्टूडेंट्स, स्टार्ट करते हैं आज की क्लास। लेट्स स्टार्ट। देयर इज अ perhaps nothing which so occupy that middle position of mathematics as a trigonometry. J.F. Herbert, 1890. Introduction. You have already studied about the triangle and in a particular right triangle. In your earlier classes, let us take some example for our surrounding where right triangles can be imagined to be formed. For instance, first, suppose a student of a school are visited Qutub Minar. Now, it a student is looking at the top of the Minar. A right triangle can be imagined to be made. As shown in figure 8.1, can the students find out the height of the Minar without actually measuring it? Question 2. Suppose a girl is sitting on the balcony of her house located on the bank of river. She is looking down at a flower pot placed on a stair of temple situated nearby on the other bank of river. A right triangle is imagined to be made in these situations as shown in figure 8.2. If you know the height of at which the person is sitting, can you find the width of the river? Now students, first topic is trigonometric ratio. In a right angle triangle, opposite side of right angle is called hypotenuse, and A is the angle of base. So AB is a base and BC is perpendicular. So angle side adjusted to angle A and side opposite to angle A. Now students, sine of A side BC upon AC, cos A AB upon AC, tan A BC upon AB, cosec A AC upon BC, sec A AC upon BC, cot A AB upon BC, and also observe that tan A is equal to BC upon AB, sin A upon cos A, and cot A is equal to cos A upon sin A. This is the trigonometric ratio, students. Now, the first use of idea in sine in a way we use it today was in the work Aryabhattiyam by Aryabhatta in AD 500. Aryabhatta used to word ardhya of the half chord with was shortened to jaya or jiva. In due course, when the Aryabhattiyam was translated in Arabic, the word jiva was retained as it is. The word jiva was translated into sinus, which means curve. When the Arabic version was translated into Latin, soon the word sinus, also used as a sign, becomes common in mathematical texts throughout Europe. An English professor of astronomy, Edmund Gunter, 1981 is 1626, first used the abbreviated notation sign. The origin of terms cosine and tangent was much later. The cosine function across from the need to compute the sine of the complementary angle. Aryabhatta called it collegia, and name cosinus originated with the Edmund Gunter in 1674. The English mathematician Sir Jonas More first used the abbreviated notation cos. Now students, without any delay, let's start exercise 8.1 in triangle ABC, right angle at B, AB is equal to 24, BC 7 centimeter, determine sine A. Sine A, first we have a triangle, right triangle, complete the triangles part. So using Pythagoras theorem, and AC is equal to आपका ए बी स्क्वायर प्लस बी सी स्क्वायर, सब्सटीट्यूटिंग द वैल्यू गेट ए सी स्क्वायर इज 625 स्क्वायर रूट 25. So we have complete three side of the triangle. Sine is equal to perpendicular upon hypotenuse. Sine A perpendicular. तो A के लिए perpendicular आपका BC होगा, C के लिए perpendicular आपका AB होगा. A के लिए बेस आपका AB होगा और C के लिए बेस आपका BC होगा. इसी की बात का स्टार्ट करते हैं. Sin A perpendicular यानी BC upon AC that is equal to 7 upon 25. Cos A cos A is equal to base upon hypotenuse AB upon AC, that is a 24 upon 25. Second, sin C के लिए perpendicular AB upon AC, so 24 upon 25. And cos C के लिए base upon hypotenuse BC upon AC, 7 upon 25. Now students, next question in figure 8.13, find the tan P minus cot R. अब tan P और cot R की बात करते हैं. tan P के लिए परपेंडिकुलर अपॉन बेस होता है tan की वैल्यू, परपेंडिकुलर P के लिए आपका RQ अपॉन बेस आपका PQ. सो tan P is equal to 5 upon 12. एंड अगेन दैट इज द cot R. R के लिए आपका बेस अपॉन परपेंडिकुलर बेस QR एंड परपेंडिकुलर PQ. सो 5 upon 12. Substituting these two value, 5 upon 12 minus 5 upon 12, that is equal to 0. Question number 3. If sin A is equal to 3 upon 4, calculate cos and tan A. Substituting the value, we know that sin A is equal to perpendicular upon hypotenuse, perpendicular 3, hypotenuse is 4. So we complete the base. Here is the 4 4 ja 16 and 3 3 ja 9. 16 minus 9 is equal to 7. AB is equal to under root 7 using Pythagoras theorem. So apply cos A is equal to base upon hypotenuse. Base is under root में 7 upon 4 and tan A के लिए perpendicular upon base, so 3 upon under root में 7. This is your true answer. Now question number 4. Given 15 cot A is equal to 8, so cot A is equal to 8 upon 15. Substitute cot is equal to होता है base upon perpendicular. Base or perpendicular are given using Pythagoras theorem and get hypotenuse AC is equal to 17. So here is the sin A. Sin A is equal to BC upon AC, that is a 15 upon 17. Sec A, hypotenuse yani AC upon AB, that is a 17 upon 8. Now students, question number 5. Given sec theta is equal to 13 upon 12, calculate all other trigonometric ratio. So hypotenuse sec theta is equal to होता है hypotenuse upon base. So using this value and get the perpendicular value, there's the 5. And now sin theta is equal to BC upon AC, 5 upon 13. Cos theta, AB upon AC, 12 upon 13. Tan theta, BC upon AB, 5 upon 12. Cot theta, यहाँ पर AB upon BC is equal to 12 upon 5. And cosec theta, AC upon BC is equal to 13 upon 5. Now students, next question number 6. If comma angle A and angle B are acute angles such that cos A equal to cos B, then so that angle A is equal to angle B. Let us consider triangle ABC in which the CD is perpendicular to AB. It is given that cos A equal to cos B. So AD upon AC, BD upon BC is equal to 1. So angle A is equal to angle B. To prove that this, the let us extended AC is to P such that BC. From equation first, we obtain AD upon BD equal to AC upon BC, AD upon BD equal to AC upon CP. By construction, we have BC equal to CP. By using the converse of basic proportionality theorem, CD is parallel to BP and angle ACD is equal to CPB corresponding angles, and angle BCD is equal to CBP alternate interior angle. By construction, we have BC equal to CP, CBP and CPB angle opposite to equal side of the triangle. From the equation 3, 4 and 5, we obtained ACD and BCD is equal to equation 6, ACAD and CBD value angle ACD is equal to BCD using equation 6, CDA is equal to CDB, both 90. Therefore, the remaining angle should be equal, CAD equal to CBD, angle A is equal to angle B. Now students, 8 cot theta is equal to 7 upon 8. Evaluate this value. So first, complete cot is equal to base upon perpendicular and get hypotenuse is 11. So we have a base 7, perpendicular 8 and hypotenuse is 11. Substituting the value sin theta, sin is equal to होता है perpendicular upon base is equal to 8 upon under root में 113. And cos theta is equal to BC upon AC, 7 upon under root में 113. Substituting all value, get first result 49 upon 64 and substituting all the value of cot square theta is 49 upon 64. Now question 8, if 3 cot A is equal to 4, so cot A is equal to 4 upon 3, cot is equal to base upon perpendicular. So base and perpendicular are given, so hypotenuse is equal to 25. So that is the 5. So cos theta is equal to AB upon AC 4 upon 5. Sin A is equal to 3 upon 5. Tan A is equal to 3 upon 4. Substituting the value, get LHS equal to 7 upon 25. Substituting all the value in RHS, get 7 upon 25. LHS equal to RHS. This the result is true. Question number 9. In triangle ABC, right angle at B, and if tan A is equal to 1 upon root 3, find the value of this. So first we have tan theta perpendicular upon base. Perpendicular base आपका दिया है using Pythagoras theorem. Get the hypotenuse. So hypotenuse is 2. So sin A is equal to BC upon AC 1 upon 2. Cos A is equal to AB upon AC root 3 upon 2. Sin C is equal to root 3 upon 2. And sin cos C is equal to BC upon AC 1 upon 2. Substituting all the value in the first, get 4 upon 4, that is a 1. And substituting all value in second, get root 3 upon 4 minus root 3 upon 4, that is equal to 0. Now students, question number 10. In triangle PQR, right angle at Q, PR plus QR is equal to 25. PQ is equal to 5 cm. Determine the value of the sin P, cos P and tan P. We have let PQ is equal to 5 and PR be X. Therefore, QR is equal to 25 minus X. Applying Pythagoras theorem in PQR, we obtain PR square plus PQ square plus QR square, get X equal to 13. Therefore, PR is equal to 13. So, sin P is equal to QR upon PR, that 12 upon 13. Cos P is equal to PQ upon PR, 5 upon 13. And tan P is equal to QR upon PQ, 12 upon 5. Now students, question number 11. State whether the following are true or false. Justify your answer. The value of tan A is always less than 1 and sec A is equal to 12 upon 5 for some value of angle A. Cos A is the abbreviation used by the cosecant of the angle A. Cot A is the product of a cot and A. Sin theta is equal to 4 upon 3 for some angle theta and sec A आपका यहाँ पर स्टार्ट करते हैं. फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन, कंसीडर ट्रायंगल एबीसी राइट एंगल ट्रायंगल. tan theta is equal to side opposite to angle A, side adjacent to angle A, 12 upon 5. 12 upon 5 is greater than 1. Tan A is greater than 1. Tan A is less than 1 is not always true. Hence the given statement are false. Second, sec A is equal to 12 upon 5. Hypotenuse upon side adjacent to angle A, 12 upon 5. AC upon AB, 12 upon 5. Let AC be the 12 centimeter. AB will be 5K. Then K is the positive integer. Applying Pythagoras theorem. Then BC is equal to 10.9. It can be observed that for the given two side AC is equal to 12K and AB is equal to 5K. BC should be such that AC minus AB is less than BC less than AC plus AB. 12K minus 5K less than BC less than 12K plus 5K. 7K is less than BC minus 17K. So students, however, BC is 10.9K. Clearly, such a triangle is possible. Hence, the value sec A is possible. Hence, the given statement is true. Third, arbitrary use the cosecant of angle A is cosec and cos A is the arbitrary use for the cosine of the angle A. Hence, the given statement is false. Fourth, cot is not a product of the cot and A. It is the cotangent of angle A. Hence, the given statement is false. Sin theta is 4 upon 3. We know that the right angle triangle sin theta is side opposite to angle theta and hypotenuse. In the right angle triangle, hypotenuse is always greater than the remaining two sides. Therefore, such value of sin theta is not possible. Hence, the given statement is false. थैंक यू स्टूडेंट्स फॉर वॉचिंग माई वीडियो. आपने बड़े ध्यान से हमारे इस वीडियो को देखा, इसके लिए आपको बहुत बहुत धन्यवाद. स्टूडेंट, स्टे एट होम, बी सेफ.